Realtors are always looking for the best thing they can buy, the best program they can sign up for that will be a magic bullet for their real estate business. In my opinion, in my experience, 20 years in the business, is that it takes showing up, participating, just working hard, staying in touch with your community, or at least a factor in your community. I don't think there are magic bullets. On Vashon, we're fortunate in a way. We have a small community. It's easy for people to notice you when you show up.
The community for John L. Scott and what we do for the community is very important. I think that's one of the highest tenets in our office is being part of the community and participating in community events. And again, that's why I joined the John L. Scott office. Our John L. Scott office on Vashon, we're in a larger group under the Madrona group, which has 7 offices. We have excellent support outside of our office as well as in our office.
Exceptional Homes by John L. Scott is a platform that provides worldwide coverage for exceptional homes, for homes of high caliber. In our office, we provide the kind of attention to detail that exacting clientele wants to see, whether it's a seller or a buyer, because we know that the higher end clientele is very particular and detail oriented, and so that's how we approach it.
Being a good neighbor and being a good person will then go into being a good real estate agent, and not necessarily doing those things because you're a real estate agent. You know, you're being your authentic self, you're doing what you love for your community and serving your community, and then, you know, it pays off in the end.
When my agents look at me, I want them to see somebody they want to be like. And that is what I'm always working towards. And I think a good leader is willing to admit when they don't know the answer and learn from the people that they're leading. So I don't know the answer, I'll get you the answer. A good leader is in service in a way that resonates with the people they're trying to lead.